Thanks for joining us. As we know, the Northern Gold Coast is currently dominating the property market, outpacing both Brisbane and the wider Gold Coast in demand and growth.
In the first quarter of 2025, the Gold Coast property market showed resilience and growth. However, towards the later end of January, we did show a slight slowdown in the market, similar to that of our southern states for this time of the year.
By February, the market had rebounded once again, with a higher number of sales volumes and a decrease with average days on market, once again indicating our high buyer demand.
March continued this trajectory, sustaining 70% clearance rates, with a positive influence on the market throughout the capital cities, reflecting sustained demand with a high level of interest and growth.
Certain suburbs did outperform others, with Upper Coomera trending as our highest number of sales volumes throughout this period. This is once again indicative of our attraction to both investors and homeowners alike.
For investors, the Gold Coast continues to be a hotspot, with the rental market remaining strong at vacancy rates of just 1.1%. Suburbs like Coomera, Upper Coomera, Helensvale and Maudsley are in high demand and presenting solid opportunities for capital growth.
On the flip side, for most homeowners on the Northern Gold Coast, we have seen, as you know, strong capital growth across all sectors, including freestanding homes, duplexes, land and units alike. If you did buy your home prior to 2019, there's a good chance that you're sitting on untapped equity that could be better working for you. Family homes that we were selling in 2019, for example, let's say we sold them for roughly $450,000. We are now looking at an increase in price of around, as Tyler was saying earlier, high 900s. It's now time to tap into this equity and make your property work for you.
There are plenty of benefits of keeping your eye on your property's current value. Whether you're thinking of selling, refinancing, or buying another investment property, now more than ever, we're seeing families keep their eye on a quarterly market update for future reference.
So it should come as little shock that the Northern Gold Coast is definitely the powerhouse when it comes to property on the Gold Coast, and it's definitely the sector to watch for 2025.
One of the biggest challenges on today's market isn't just price, it's actually strategy. Too many homeowners aren't sitting down and seeking the right advice to tailor their campaign to fit their goals, which in turn causes hesitation when it comes for your time to enter the market.
Every sale is unique, and real estate transactions have evolved over time, so it's imperative that you sit down with your agent and you clearly articulate your needs, where they can tailor a strategy to fit the outcome. Gone are the days where a cash 30-day settlement is your only option to sell.
While price, of course, remains the top driver in a seller's decision, we emphasise the correct process before, during and after the campaign to maintain not only the top price, but the right outcome for each one of our sellers.
One of the most common concerns that Tyler and I both get from sellers before they enter the market, or that's preventing them from moving forward, is where am I going to go? Am I going to find temporary accommodation? And can you sell my home simultaneously? These are all overwhelming decisions that we don't want to bog you down before you make the decision to sell.
That's where strategy comes in. With years of experience, we have the solutions to overcome your hurdles. With flexible settlement dates, leaseback opportunities, and sourcing off-market properties, we have the campaign tailored to suit your individual needs.
In fact, over the past 5 years, not one of our transactions has looked the same. It is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and every single one of our sellers have walked away with the results that they desired.
So, if you're thinking about selling but feeling uncertain about what comes next, let's sit down and have this conversation. Your next move should be on your terms.
The right strategy makes all the difference, and we want to tailor approach to fit your needs. Don't overwhelm yourself pre-market with what ifs. We have proven years of results to follow through on our promises, which allows you the peace of mind to make the right decision while we work in your best interests each and every time.